Yes, we do repair and restore bags at the Cobbler. Let me show you what we can do. Color can fade or disappear. We can restore it or recreate the damaged areas. We can even change the color to a new one. It's up to you. We can also change damaged parts like hardware, handles, lining, and leather parts. And we can regild metal plates to brighten the gold color and reduce the appearance of scratches. There is much more we can do, so please approach our bag expert in the shop, or call us or WhatsApp us. See you soon!